Okay, here we go. Pooja, you wanna start?
Okay, where do you want to start with though? Shall we just go simple?
Yeah, I think we should just
So,
dive right into it.
so I'm Pujita
And I'm Priyanka.
and we are psychiatrists.
Yay! Yes, we are legally, fully, technically, we are MD psychiatry pass outs, and we're two young women who want to make a difference around.
Do we call married women young women though?
How is marital status linked to it? No.
We're aunties. We are two psychiatry aunties.
Fine, but that doesn't sound aesthetic, no? So we'll make it madams.
Okay. Uh,
So
and since we passed out from Eragada's infamous Institute of Mental Health, otherwise known as Eragada
Eragada
Mental
Mental Hospital.
Hospital. So we are Eragada Madams officially for you guys.
Yay! Yes, we are Eragada Madams, and we're getting this for you. So naturally, the question is, why should we listen to us? I mean, why should you guys listen to us? Blah 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 blah.
Um, so you guys should listen to us because we're very fun to talk to in general.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
And we both talk quite a lot about everything under the sun.
A lot of nonsense.
Exactly. But along with that nonsense, we do want to offer some insights about taboo topics like sex or menstruation or
Masturbation.
yes, but not entirely about sex. But yeah, I mean, psychotic illnesses, you name
Yes.
it, we've seen it. So I think we can offer something in that area.
Erugada was such a great treasure of a lot of bizarre cases.
Yes,
So we can both entertain and educate people, hopefully, regarding mental health.
true. And yeah, I mean, and we can offer perspectives on movies. We can do movie analysis. We'll
That'd be
share some,
interesting.
yeah, we'll share some personal stories. Maybe we'll share some anonymous case studies. So whatever you guys want in the arena of mental health, we'll do it. Like,
Also, I would like to add and boast a little bit because I think in the Telugu states, this will be the first podcast by two women,
mm-hmm.
uh, particularly doctors.
Who are Telangana biddas.
Yeah, and psychiatrist who's gonna talk about all the topics under the sun, from sex to menses, from your relationship problems to addictions, everything related.
Yes, and hopefully we'll make it fun, but we're open to feedback.
Absolutely, but just don't troll, okay? Please, Abba, no trolling, or at least just take it slow. We're not used to it.
Yes, we are not, but should we give them a little background about who we are as people?
Yeah, also we'll establish మనం ఏంటి మొత్తం తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ how it will be.
Manam all mixed fruit juice ra.
Okay, whatever comes to us, it'll be.
Yeah.
And a lot of times it can be incorrect grammar. So please, these grammar aunties, grammar nazis, don't be after me, especially.
You're talking to a grammar auntie.
Yeah. Side note, Pujta has 4-5 degrees. Out of them, one of them is like post graduation in literature from Oxford, you guys.
Not Oxford.
Oxford!
Not everything that's there in UK is Oxford.
That's all we know, bro. Okay.
Yeah. So everything that comes from United Kingdom is Oxford.
Yeah, Oxford. Yeah, Oxford.
Okay. So what do you want our listeners to know about you?
Okay, so basic BD, I am 27 year old. We just passed MD psychiatry from Eragada Mental Hospital, and technically we can practice psychiatry. So yes, we are open
For consultations. Those will not be free, unlike these episodes.
Yes. And yeah, I'm also newly married, if that's important. I don't know.
It is very important, dude. Congrats.
Thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I'm a married woman.
Okay.
I'm very sophisticated.
Okay, there's a lot of emphasis on sophistication there. Cool.
No, I also I passed out from Eragada Mental Hospital along with your Priyanka. Priyanka is a gold medalist.
Shut
I'm not.
up.
I'm a normal human being,
Please.
but Priyanka is a gold medalist.
Shut up.
Yeah, but we both took psychiatry with a lot of passion, and we keep talking on and on and on about different cases, and I feel like there's no one's opinion I value more when it comes to my cases than Priyanka's. So
Duty? No,
what?
atla em ledu. We both like value each other. Having said that, one thing is which is very common is that our passion for psychiatry,
Yes.
and but also to like make it very consumable to people around.
Yep.
That's also something that we're really like looking forward to.
Yeah, especially if you ask me, I think na long term goal is always about community psychiatry. Like I want to build mental health from ground up. Like that's what I see myself doing in the next few years. ఏమో ఆ గోళీలు డయాగ్నోసిస్లు ఇవన్నీ వేస్ట్ అనిపిస్తుంది. Sometimes you need to kind of work at the grassroots level.
Like,
Sometimes,
do you mean that psychiatry doesn't work? Is
no,
that what
no.
you mean?
No, that's not what I mean. I'm just saying that there's so many things that we could be doing before the patient comes to Eragada, to be honest, because tertiary care center and that too, ఇప్పుడు ఫీమేల్ క్లోజ్డ్ వార్డ్ లో చూస్తే మొత్తం రెసిస్టెంట్ కేసెస్ ఉంటాయి. There's so much that could have been done in the earlier stages, which was not done. So
Right. That's a lot of ambition and fire.
Yes.
Crazy, bro.
Ambition. Yeah, and yeah, even you want to do something in this area, right? Because there was a particular area of psychiatry that you thought like people are just not coming because the patient themselves is not willing. So you
Yeah.
wanted a mobile.
Right.
Yeah.
And ఎవరికైతే ఆ idea pitch చేసిన everybody was saying like, bro, this is not a profitable idea. You're
It
gonna
is an
lose
amazing idea.
money. Yes, we're gonna talk about a lot of these ideas
Yes.
in the further episodes. But for today, this is the pilot. We're just testing the waters. Ki how are we gonna sound?
Yes. And would you guys be even like interested in listening to us, or do you want us to do a few more episodes? We have some exciting ideas coming up.
Absolutely. But how can they reach to us? Like, what will be the medium through which they can communicate or contact us?
Yeah, they can email us at eragaddamadams@gmail.com. We do check our emails every single day, so I am hoping that the response time will be fast.
Okay, that is a optimistic idea, but let's just say at least once in 2 days.
Yeah, I mean, I to check like TID. I check my email TID almost, but yeah, I mean, if you want to know more, or if you want to reach us in any manner to talk about anything, or you have some request for us,
Any
please
constructive
email.
feedback, criticism, anything that you have to offer for us, we're always open for it. And you can reach us at eragaddamadams@gmail.com.
Yes.
So with that, we're finishing the pilot. Let's just jump into the first episode. Tata, see you again. Do you think we should have like an opener? Like Radio Mirchi had an opener and all of these